You are watching Kids Library Cartoons. So let's go. 1, 2, and 3, go. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fox, G for goat, H for horse, I for insect, J for joker, K for kite, L for line, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rat, S for sun, T for tree, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for x-ray, Y for yellow, Z for zebra. Please subscribe my channel Kids Library and press the bell icon.